Hi everyone. In this short video, I'll show you how to use the EPS Momentum chat, from setting up your profile to sending messages, inserting charts, and understanding what not to do in the chat. Let's get started. Let's start by setting up your profile. Click on Profile in the left menu. Here, you can upload your profile picture and choose your username. This is the name that other members will see in the chat. In the About Me section, write a short description about yourself. For example, what markets you trade or what you're interested in learning. In Goal, tell others about the type of stocks you're looking for. For example, small cap momentum, large cap breakouts, or dividend payers. Next, choose your investing style. You can select growth, income, value, or all, depending on your trading approach. Each line has a small arrow where you can choose your level: beginner, some experience, expert, or master. This helps the community understand your background and focus area. You can also decide whether to keep your profile private or make it public so that others can see your information. Once you're done, click Update to save your profile. Now let's look at the chat. Here you can see different channels: bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and support. Choose the one that matches your level or topic. To send a message, type in the box below and press Enter. You can also attach a chart or image by clicking the plus icon or by dragging it into the message box. Under each message, you will see several icons: Delete to remove your message, Edit to make changes, Quote in reply to reply to everyone in the chat, Quote in thread to reply only to that message, Reaction emoji to add a quick reaction. These tools help keep communication in each channel easy and organized. Before you start chatting, please follow these simple rules. Keep conversations focused on trading and market topics only. Do not post promotions, links, or advertisements. Avoid political discussions and personal arguments. Always stay respectful. No hate speech, spam, or excessive caps. Don't share private or financial information. And never post false or misleading data about stocks. That's it. Now you know how to set up your profile, use the chat, reply correctly, and follow the rules. Stay professional, share useful insights, and enjoy being part of the EPS Momentum community.